Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn perk points on the Far Cry 5 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Far Cry 5 game on your device and you may continue playing from where you left off or start a new game altogether. Now, once you have understood the basic mechanisms and controls of the game, you will be able to explore the vast open world of Far Cry 5. Now, within this game, you will be able to use various different points, known as perk points, in order to upgrade the abilities of your character. In order to earn these perk points, you will need to complete story missions, which are displayed by a US flag icon within your map. If you tap on the M button, this will open up the map, where you will see various different missions. You can complete the main story missions, or you may also complete the additional missions. Additionally, you will also find cult outposts, which you can take down, and with every outpost that you take out, you will gain a new base, and this will also give you various different rewards, including perk points. Once you have enough perk points, you can simply click on the perk menu, and you may spend your available perk points in order to upgrade the various abilities of your character. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to earn more perk points on the Far Cry 5 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.